One lap to go, presented by Credit One Bank.
Cole Custer's run Reddick down.
All over the back bumper. Can he get him loose?
I'm Patrick Stufflet. I'm the engineering manager at Stewart-Haas Racing. I've been here since the end of 2009. Enjoy coming in every day, chasing trophies and hanging banners in the ceiling. It's awesome. We have a shop-based crew and a road-based crew. You guys only get to see the road-based crew on Sunday for 3 hours, but there is a group of people, a team behind the guys at the racetrack that are chasing 3 decimals on the chassis, on the body, on our suspension components, all that stuff. And we could not chase those decimals unless we had the Autodesk PowerInspect software helping us along the way. Before, we were okay with the strings and tape measures, but now to get the performance that we want on Sunday, we have to use this software to get us there. Just like the team that we have of fabricators building this stuff and the team we have on Sunday pitting the car, we have to have a team of people to help us manufacture this car to the highest level. So then after the chassis is made and we're all happy that we hit all our numbers there, we'll ship that chassis off to NASCAR. They use PowerInspect over there. They measure it. We make sure we're talking the same language. And now we have to put a body on that car to go racing. So we go over to the body shop and hang body panels that Ford gives us. Now we have a whole nother set of tolerances for bodies. And they use a scanning equipment for that, but we use roamer arms and PowerInspect to locate those body panels and exploit the tolerances once again. So I consider you guys a team, the Autodesk PowerInspect as part of our team, getting us to the racetrack to be able to perform and chase the trophies and hopefully bring home the big trophy at the end of the year.
Down the backstretch they go. Here comes Cole Custer. They hit! Contact made! Tyler Reddick trying to stay on his bumper. Cole Custer trying to pull away. Cole Custer takes it in Texas.
This is the official part, Rick, where he gets showered.
I just can't thank Autodesk enough, and for their first race, I can't believe it. Gene Haas and Haas Animation, they've obviously been the biggest help for me in my career, so I can't thank them enough. Tony Stewart, Roush Yates, engines, a lot of motor today. Everybody that just helps this deal go around. But I think it's awesome we're going to Homestead. We've been waiting almost a year for a win, so that was nice.